How to resolve Facebook temporarily blocked error. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, open Facebook, which can be downloaded through App Store. Now you want to tap on the menu, which is on the bottom right corner. Then you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on Help and Support. Here you want to go ahead and tap on Report a Problem. After that, a pop-up will appear where you want to tap on Continue to Report. Here it will ask you if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. You can tap on anything that is included in report or don't want to include in report. After that, you'll reach to this screen where you want to scroll down and tap on Pages. As soon as you do that, another pop-up will appear where you want to write your prompt or you can upload a photo. To upload, tap on Take Screenshot and go to the screen that you want to take a screenshot of, then tap on Screenshot again. After that, you can go to the What Went Wrong box and type your problem. Attaching the screenshot are exception. That is, you may or you may not upload those screenshots and send it to the Facebook to solve your problem. Now, to resolve Facebook temporarily blocked error, tap on the box and write whatever I am writing here right now. So you can just pause the video and write it there. After you're done writing and attaching the screenshots, you want to tap on Send, which is on the top right corner. As soon as you do that, a feedback, that is complaint, will be sent to the Facebook and it will try its best to solve the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.